Listen, when you are trying to chase your dreams, some people will hurt you, not physically, but emotionally. They will laugh at you, and they don't believe you, that's for sure. But it's okay at the end of the day. The reality is no one cares about your dreams or goal in life. Maybe your parents does or your family, but come to think of it, the only person who knows how to do that is you, and only you. Before we dive into this, consider subscribing to our channel and hit like button. And now, this is a message that resonates deeply in the hearts of those who dare to chase their dreams and aspire to reach new heights in life. It's a message about the stark contrast that emerges when we embark on the path of success. In this journey we call life, we encounter two distinct groups of people: those who wholeheartedly celebrate the successes of others and those who secretly harbor desires to witness our downfall. These two groups, my friends, have drastically different relationships with the concept of success. The first group, the champions of success, are the ones who pursue their own aspirations, guided by their North Star. They're the brave souls who understand the value of their dreams and have the courage to chase them. They inspire us with their unwavering determination. The second group, however, often struggles to overcome their own fears and insecurities, which hold them back from pursuing their own passions. Instead of embracing the pursuit of their dreams, they tend to be spectators watching from the sidelines. Success to them remains a distant and elusive concept. You see, success is a complex tapestry. It's subjective, comparative, and at times it carries a monetary value while other times it doesn't. In contrast, failure, the uninvited guest in our lives, often seems universal. It doesn't discriminate. It touches us all. Think about the milestones in life we celebrate: graduation from university, engagement, or the purchase of a new car. All bring forth cheers, joy, and well wishes from friends and family. Yet when we succeed in business, we find ourselves alone on this journey. What I found most intriguing on this path is that as our hard work begins to yield results, we notice something unsettling. The applause, once thunder, starts to fade. It's not just that no one seems to want us to succeed. It feels like everyone wishes to see us fail, even those closest to us. In the beginning, this response can be bewildering and painful. It certainly was for me as I sit here penning these words. It took time and introspection to comprehend it fully. I hope that by sharing this, I can offer solace to someone else facing a similar predicament. Why do people seem to revel in our failure? It often stems from a place of fear that our success will leave them behind, exposing feelings of inadequacy. No one likes the feeling of being outgrown, outrun, or outsmarted. They don't relish the idea of losing in this race called life. This phenomenon, often referred to as crab mentality, mirrors the behavior of crabs in a bucket. When one crab attempts to escape, the others pull it back down, preventing its freedom. Alone, a crab could easily climb to freedom, but in the presence of others, this cycle repeats without fail. Crab mentality manifests as jealousy, selfishness, and a desire to undermine the progress of others. Those trapped in this mindset believe that their traits, creativity, personality, and intelligence are fixed and unchangeable. Challenges are shunned, complaints are commonplace, feedback is ignored, and the success of others is viewed as a threat. Instead of rising to challenges, individuals with a crab mentality choose to play small. They pull others down because it allows them to maintain their perceived position of superiority. Envy may lead to downplaying, discouragement, unwarranted criticism, or even hurtful actions. But remember this, progress is impossible without change. And those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. Yet, the truth remains, people don't want to witness your transformation. They fear your change, even if it's for the better, for it challenges their control or their perception of you. Your growth poses a threat to their comfort zone. In the face of such adversity, keep being you. Embrace your journey, no matter how lonely it may seem at times. Know that you're not alone in facing these challenges. We've all been there, and we've all felt the sting of those who couldn't bear to see us rise. As you press forward in your quest for success, remember the words of one of our clients. Don't let the doubters hold you back. Do it anyway. One day, they might just be asking you for a job. Embrace change, cherish growth, and let your success shine as a beacon for others to follow. In doing so, you become a testament to the human spirit's boundless potential. My friend, into the other side of this planet watching or hearing this right now, may your journey be filled with resilience, determination, and unwavering belief in yourself.